we are going to learn there are two cool ways in which we can add zeros smartly in Excel. And smart way number one is invoking exponential method. For example, to write 1 million, how you can do it? 1e6. 1e6 mean 1 e for exponential method, and then it gets added. That's all. And then let's say you wanted to add like this number, and how you will do, let's say 1.23, example I'm saying, E5 automatically gets added. And then if you don't want the decimal, you can, of course, you can remove, because this is in scientific method, which always gives a decimal, and you can remove that also as well, right? And then let's say you want 2.4 e the power 4, and then 5, 6, and e the power 6, example, 1.3 e the power maybe 3, example, 5 e the power 5, example. So all of this number you can see here, you can easily change back to this one, and then you can change back this one to from scientific to number, and then you can just disable the decimal and all that, right? This is one way of doing it, right? You can see that we have just converted the scientific number into just normal number. This is something called your input. Another one is that, let's say you wanted to write 1 million, right? 1 million requires 6 zeros, right? 1, you can do that star star 6, automatically gets added. Again, it invoke into scientific, and from scientific you can convert back this number also as well, right? And then let's say 1.2, example I'm saying, E, and then let's say you wanted to write again million. You can just do that also as well, right? So this is very, very easy way in which we can do that. So here you need to add 2 star and 2 asterisk, but here you need to add the zeros also as well. And let me complete that table also as well. Let's say 2 the power 6 instead of E, I'm just adding example 6, 2 million. Let's say if I want to write 3 million. So this is 3 million. Let's say if you want to write 4 million, this is 4 million. Let's say if you want to write 5 million, this is 5 million. Yeah, there you go. And then I don't need the decimal. You can see here, automatically gets added. So this is E method,